children. Today we will learn about our houses and waste disposal. So let's start. Lesson 12, Our Houses and Waste Disposal. Explanation Part 1. First we will start with houses in villages. In early times, when most people lived in villages, houses used to be built using simple materials such as stone, bamboo, mud, straw, and dry leaves. Even today, most villages in our country have kacha houses. People use mud to build the walls of their kacha houses, and bamboo, straw, and leaves are used to build the roofs. And the floors are usually made of clay and coated with cow dung. You know why people in villages build kacha houses? Because people can get all the material easily from their surroundings without spending a lot of money. Next is Haveli. In villages, some people build bigger houses called Havelis. These houses have stone or brick walls plastered with mud, clay tiles, and heavy wooden doors. And the floors are usually made of mud or stone. These are very spacious houses with many rooms. Next is houses in cities. In cities, people build more durable houses. They use raw materials such as bricks, cement, and steel. The roofs of these houses are made of concrete, and the walls are made of bricks and plastered with a mixture of cement and sand. And the floors are made of concrete, marble, or porcelain tiles. And these are called pakka houses. This is a picture of a bungalow. Large single-story houses in cities are known as bungalows. Such houses have sprawling lawns in front and open space surrounding them. This is a picture of a residential colony that has many houses that are built alongside each other. These are built in cities due to shortage of land, and these may have one floor or more floors. This is a multi-story building. It is a tall structure with many floors. Multi-story buildings have a number of houses on each floor, and each of these houses is called a flat or an apartment. And one more thing I want to tell you is that a very tall building that seems to touch the sky is called a skyscraper. Next is slum area. Houses in slum areas are very small in size and have low roofs. You know, every year thousands of people from villages move to towns and cities in search of work. And many of these people come from underprivileged backgrounds, so they cannot afford proper house to live in. Therefore, they construct makeshift houses made of iron or tin sheets in slum areas. Next is sanitation in cities. Houses built in cities usually have good drainage and garbage disposal systems, which ensure proper hygiene and sanitation, like it is shown in the picture. But the living conditions in the slum areas are not very good. They usually have a very poor drainage and garbage disposal system, as shown in the given picture. Next is, what is a garbage? Garbage is any material that is of no use and can be thrown away as waste. For example, vegetable peels, household goods such as old and torn clothes, old medicines, old shoes, and packaging materials such as metal and plastic cans, plastic bottles, polythene bags, and cardboard cartons, etc. One more thing, if all this garbage is thrown around in our surroundings and left unattended, it will rot and give out a foul smell. And not only that, it will also attract flies and other insects which cause diseases such as diarrhea, typhoid, cholera, etc. Now, I want you to wash your hands much more times to keep the germs away. And when we sneeze or cough, we must cover our mouth. We could sneeze into our elbow like this. Then again, we must wash our hands. And when we go to the toilet, we must flush the toilet and wash our hands really well. And one more thing, we must not share our food with anyone else, and we must remember to wash our hands before and after we eat. So that is all for today. In the next video, we will learn about the disposal of waste. Till then, bye.